Good morning to all of you. How are you, my children? I hope you are good at your home, stay safe. Since we have wasted our 1 month for the lockdown for the whole country, so we are going to start our first chapter without wasting time, the history, that is the nationalism in Europe. The question arises in our mind that even though we are living in Asia, that is in India, why we are learning about Europe? So the answer is that as per all of us learn something from an example. So the countries in Europe are the example for our country, because the nationalism emerged first. It is in Europe, then it arrived in India. So as per for the country France, they started a French Revolution that gave us the idea of nationalism. As I told you in the last year, nationalism means the feeling of the love towards our nation. So in our chapter, the countries which are mentioned here about the France. First of all, about the France, how the France became a democratic country after a lot of wars. As we read last year about the Louis XVI, how he was ruling there, and how people were under his rule, how they were deprived of their rights. So a lot of examples we are having in this chapter, which are told by the conditions which are told by Frederick Soriot, a French artist. As you can see in the first line of the chapter, it is described about the Frederick Soriot in his portrait, in his pictures. He told about different types of dreams for a world made for the democratic and social republic, about the France. So in the year 1789, the French Revolution took place. French Revolution. What is revolution? Revolution means to bring a change within a short period of time by wars. So the France became democratic